Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, if not, welcome back. My name is Ashley, and on this channel I do product reviews and packing tips and vlogs and all things motherhood related. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing if that's something that you're interested in. And today I'm actually going to be sharing a little bag that I have had for months now, but I have never actually mentioned it before, and it's by Mina Baie, and this is the Audrey in Blush. So I am just going to show you how I have been using this beautiful bag. It is a Mary Poppins bag because it looks small, but it holds everything I would need, and I have space for more. So let's just get right to it. Okay, so here is the Audrey in the color Blush. I love this color because it's not like a pink blush. It's just like a really beautiful, unique color, and it's just really stylish. I feel like it goes with everything. It has a nice adjustable strap that has these beautiful kind of studs that lock into place, so you can adjust it depending on your height. It has a cute closure right here, which kind of has an envelope style, but it has a nice long tab with a magnet, so if you want to tuck it into this little slit, you can, or if you're in a hurry, you just close it and it will magnetize to the bag. In the bag, it has a nice long zipper, and I guess I should just start there. In this zipper, I have a couple of things. I have my Dagny Dover wallet. I love this thing because it's really nice and compact, and it's just the right size for me. It's in the color Eclipse, which is my favorite from Dagny Dover, and it's just a simple card holder. Nice and simple, love it. I also have my phone in here, and this is an iPhone XS, the smaller one, not the big plus version. And I also have my kids' preschool little swipe cards with a fat brain toy that is mostly for my daughter because we have to wait for the kids to get out and she gets a little bit impatient. So that's it for this pocket. It's very simple. It's kind of like a tan color. So moving on to the inside, this is what it looks like. I like that you can basically have a pocket for everything, and it's really easy to just look at and see everything nice and organized. In this slip pocket right back here, I have some motion sickness medication for my daughter because she gets really bad car sickness. It has a zippered pocket in the front of that pocket, and I have my AirPods in there. It has another pocket right here in the back, which is just a slit pocket. And in here I have my house key and my mailbox key, along with my final straw, which I love. I'm not sure if this is actually meant for that, but I do like clipping my keys to these little loops. I'm guessing this is kind of for maybe having on your stroller, I guess, because this would be a really nice stroller organizer if you wanted to use it like that. I wouldn't because it's too pretty, but I guess you could. But I have my car keys attached to a Lily Jade wristlet strap that comes with the packing cases. And shout out to Hello Happy Mom Nicole, because I have seen this on her Instagram, and when I was searching for a battery replacement for my key fob, I found it and just couldn't resist. But yeah, I keep it simple with my keys because I don't like all the jingling. It has a little pocket right here for a pen, or I guess like a slim lipstick if you wanted. I don't have anything in there. It has a nice pocket on this side that is elastic, and I have my hand sanitizer in there. This is my favorite. And my lip balm, which I absolutely love. In the middle, I have a little pouch. This is from Amazon, and you can see that they have some snacks in here. I should have more, but we have been in and out of the house, and my kids immediately want snacks. But it's a nice size to keep right in the center. Okay, nothing else in the main pocket of the bag. It has another nice pocket in the front, and this is where I have my wipes. I have boogie wipes because my kids are always sick now that they are in preschool. And then I have some Pampers Pure for my little girl. Okay, so that's that pocket right there. It's really nice and big. You can put your diapers in there if you wanted to, but I have them in this nice kind of hidden pocket over here. And these are 2 size 4 Huggies removers, and they fit in there perfectly, and it kind of like suctions them in, and you would never tell I had diapers in there. And the last pocket is this one in the front, which also magnetizes and kind of slims the bag down a little bit. And for some reason, I haven't had gum in years, but I couldn't resist these watermelon ones for some reason, so I have these right in here because I've been wanting them. And that's it. That is this beautiful, simple bag. I have been using this so much lately because I am usually just running in and out of places or picking up my kids, and I am almost always just doing things with my little girl, so I just need snacks for her and maybe a diaper, but I hardly ever change her when we are out, and this bag seems to be perfect for that. It's a nice little mom bag. So that's it for this packing review for you. I hope that it was helpful if you have been considering this bag. I will say it's awesome, and I'm really glad I purchased it because I was struggling with choosing between this and one of their larger bags, and I really love this one so much. And the color is just beautiful. It goes with everything. And yeah, I just hope that this was useful for anyone researching it, and if you enjoyed it, show me with a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already and would want to, don't forget to click the subscribe button before you go. Well, I think it's this way, yeah. And if you already have, then I'll see you in the next one. Bye!